And me the reports be by say Ghana for air calling for justice for nurse be your friend Ruth Ama Eshen. Na around Yabeka Ashanti region in the sea news I see and say in branch ye be echo chino eto no mona womuwie no ena womuku no ya. Now we have an update because ever since Endra ye nia ye sorry ye ni ye comment ye video nkrofo kasa woso no me tre wo say na e trende justice for Ruth Eshen na e trende at number 1 on both Facebook and Twitter. Luckily enough, the authorities have actually reasoned to this matter. Now, police for Asore Waka aye investigation and the breaking news are eba and they say womachi a branch here ba kwa womususu say wono so eka ho bi. And so one person has been arrested. Ni susu say ne kre sa nipa ko na ya che no se wonim ho bibia. Ebenam ono ne so na police for ache the other people who were also part of this dastard act. Etiefo Montreal Madrid our comment box nimo. That is the breaking news coming through. Now, before I'll even continue with the story that's actually coming through, the breaking news coming through no. Mame no me ma oti ase se na waware a wo bomba miensa. Ni kunu so aba bonten edensem abetuja. Ni kunu your friend Mr. Ahen. Na asema Mr. Ahen eka and they say womwa ware for 11 good years. Etiefo wose womwa ware for 11 good years. Now next month ya nanka womo ebe celebrate like omo 11th year ni mo next month and na kombe celebrate ankasa say like March mu 11 years ago any year wedding. What ya say no say the year in there oh and they say bia wewu ninti and they say bia wo ye in the year ninti na wo bia woni ne year aye adwuma da bia betrel say oyo bia wonye pesemi nkuminya se wo ko bebia no obi hia ade a de ne yere ne beye na wa pesa ade na manipa kro no wo beye emfa ho se ono ankasa e de ne sika ana ono ankasa ne bibi wo de be manipa kro no emfa ne ho wo sanso se wo ye hard working wo mfa na adwuma endi agro wo ye very 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 respectful wo bu obia. Aside that, no, one fanya mesom in the agro, where you're very spiritual. Every single day, we're born paye, just a yamesom dear, and yadia would di agro. Inti papa say, one no dear, a dear no, I yan a yapa papa, just a year the best friend, just a same way too, no, just a own dear 1 year. Na ayene yapa no was three police for when them say police for they can be really swift because assembly see and as a police for ya kokwasa bi and they say Ghana for na sorry ye e can say hey justice for this na ka say and can be a police for still they wouldn't be that swift on the matter na ye sorry ye no ama Ghana for akwakochi ne pa ba kwa yesusu say waka ho now from Nick Nonen's point of view no how matters unfolded for him. Or say, me ma oti ase se baby a wo mote ne friend no Ayum. Na baby a yekoku no around wo area ho a. Was say ne yere epon efri dwumam. E na tre se ne yere ka tre no friend ne ka tre se oh opon fi adwuma a wo be kwa yiska e was some mobile money joints bi. Nti ko yiska wi a wo be fie. No ka say okay no problem. Now normally ne yere pon fi adwuma a will be fie around 5 o'clock anyway. Around that time and a year the year ebedu fie. Now, Nirika Sobeka Yiska no. Na mobile money a woko yi de any baby a work I said and eba said obechesa. To was say what Chenya about 5 a pound who cost 6, 7 the year in Bannon or Shas say Nakuma Eshe said Dabi. Free time I will more worry and see that. Send the year ache wapon ache say by 7 o'clock won't do fie into way dear bibi sha ase into o can say okay we dey ma mentwen ebia sika wo kwa akoyi na trese ensem e na trese into what twen ya e born 9 o'clock no no say that we dey serious e na wo sha ase say hospitals are wonim ana health points are wonim say e ya na yere ekono o sha ase say wo kɔ ho na wako bia yesi oyere ofi ha be 4 o'clock ofi ha be 4 o'clock asɛm ni na afei ni yeme hyehye no ɛna wɔkɔbɔ police fo amane se police fo say na esi o tese nti wɔkɔ ha say hospital ebia wɔkɔ hospital bi no bi sa say o mo ehu me yere ɛya wɔtai ba ha say wɔn so wɔn ba ha na ebia saa area no nso wakɔ akɔbɔ police fo amane they say ni say etiefo na wɔnam so ɛbobɔ police fo amane na tese wo bi friend na ka trɛ ne sɛ nwura bi bush bi ɛwɔ wɔn area hɔ na saa bush no obi ehu ne yere ne ID card ɛwɔ bush nim nti ɛhɔ na ne yem san so hye no mo sɛ ade a misro no ɛyɛ esi Ewade bɛgyeme nti ɛhɔ na wɔyɛ sɛ wɔkɔka trɛ police no sɛ yɛsi yehu me yere ID card wɔ ha o ɛhɔ na yɛ friend sɛ wɔn bra fie ntɛmpa wɔnyɛ ntɛm no wɔn bra fie ne yem hye no ɛna wɔde mmirika edu fie a kyɛ sɛ nkrɔfo na ɛwɔ hɔ a wɔn mu sun adan a yɛsi wɔ bi afrɔ wɔn aka trɔ mo sɛ wɔn mu ehu ne yere ne body ɛwɔ nwura bi mu asɛm ni ne krɛ police fo no nso ɛkɔɔ hɔ no wɔn kɔ hu body no ɛma wɔn de body no ɛkɔ mortuary awerɛhosɛm a ekunu ɛne ne yere a tese yekun ne yere in a very like unti aseɛ just like that wo hwɛ sɛ ne wɔn narrating the story na wɔsisi a wɔn hu deɛ wɔn yɛ ne ho tese asɛm na to ne so na ɔno deɛ one thing pɛ ɛna wɔsrɛ from police ɔsi police wɔ wɔsrɛ mo wɔnim sɛ bebi edu yi wɔyɛ den kra wɔnya ne yere ne biom but deɛ mo bɛyɛ bia mo bɛkye wɔn mo a wɔn mo di saa nyambranse no mo nyɛ na mo nkye wɔn sɛ mo bɛkɔ soro akɔ asase ase deɛ mo bɛyɛ bia wɔn mo kyi saa nyambranse mi wɔn mo di saa nyambran mo nyɛ nkye wɔn na at least ɛno ɛna bɛma na feel safe say okay police for mo ayɛ adeɛ na asɛm ne baayɛ no the police wearing swift now let's go back to nipa baako na news breaking news say police for arresting no from what I am hearing because assembly by the now say me don't most call etiti from other sources and so from what I am hearing no and they say nipa na ya chi no and now okay let me ebia na enye nipa no but from what I am hearing they say police for baby a wo mo ko hu body no they actually did your friend a sweep and a swoop said the brofo e yomo kan won say bibi crime bi si wo baby a eya na surrounding no ye hwem ni ehunu say ye behu bibi e wo ho a nti police for eye swoop around eno mo hu mobile phone bi e wo ho nti o mo susu say one of abrantie na wo mo kum oba no wono ni mobile phone e na eda ho inti the matter say elekra na enam so ema police for ekokɔkye saa one suspect na wo mo ache no because at the crime scene the mobile phone eto ho but meaning say gidigidi na esi o se den o ebia in the process na wo rape wo ba no and the mobile phone eto ye na so we hu so that's what we are hearing abrahosem but police for say afiansa wo mo be ye investigation ehun ne say ne kre ye raping no ansa na ye kuna na because that's the story out there almost wo mo nim say ne story ne ba bonten say ye raping no intino afiansa wo be ye investigation no mo ehun ne say ne kre say ye raping no ana say kun keke ena mu kun no. What was the motive behind these people? Until they are hoping say womo di sa nyamranga na sa one suspect na womo ache no ebe nam ne so ama womo hu asem ni mu no kra ya rehosem but I'll say thank you will be our comment on that particular story endra me de bae will be our comment on Twitter obi a wokan ho asem bia yeda ase we seen say just within 24 hours ye sha say ye kasa about it no at least the police have arrested one suspect. Nanki Yambekasa or it will be one of those stories Ghana. Because and then the mate and it says so far Yasi Kumase you come in 4 bako 7. And yet and the City FM Eyewitness News. That was what I was listening. Emma ye interview Kumase and Ashanti Regional Minister. Emma ye bisan say what's happening in Kumase. You have to say so far you come in 4 ama number na eba and say you come in 4 bako 7. Mesraw hwehun so ye. Isi Ghana yehu. Ghana yehu papa. Inti no montre mo adwen comment box ni mo medase.